What if you can make your hair fuller while using all of your existing hair, plus while keeping all of your existing hair safe and healthy? Are you concerned about hair extensions, toppers, and any method of adding additional hair that will cause additional hair loss? They all work, but they cause or speed up additional hair loss. Are you also using those powders that conceal and hide your thinness and work great, but they speed up hair loss? The solution now is the microstrand invention. One human hair at a time is fed onto these microstrands that becomes this, the finished product. When these are custom made and blended in between your own hair, they disappear. You're using all of your existing hair, and all of your hair is staying safe and healthy.
I used to put powder in my hair, fibers. I used to part it certain ways, comb it certain ways, and now it's overwhelming how beautiful I feel that I don't have to think about those things anymore. I could just style and go.
Watch this. One human hair at a time is now fed onto these microstrands. One human hair at a time. This is how we're going to replicate natural hair growth. The way to find out more detail is to schedule a free video demo.